Nick and Matt like going out at weekends. Today they have come across each other in the theme park. Theme park. Hi, Matt. Hi, Nick. I didn't expect to meet you in the theme park. I have just arrived. How about you? Actually, I'm leaving. I've been here since the morning. Oh, I see. Could you give me some advice about where to go, what to see, and what to do? Sure, Nick. First of all, visitors usually ride on the Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel. From there, you can see all the landmarks of the park. The circus, the funfair, the haunted mansion, and of course, the roller coaster. Great, so many landmarks to visit. The circus, the funfair, the haunted mansion, the roller coaster. Have you been everywhere? Yes, I have. And that was great fun. In the circus, I really enjoyed clowns performing fun tricks and trapeze artists, whose show was so thrilling. Clown performing tricks. Trapeze artist. I have never gone on a roller coaster in my life. How was it? Oh, it was amazing. The ride is so fast and goes in all possible directions. It's better not to eat before the ride. Roller coaster is amazing. After the ride on the roller coaster, have a stroll to the funfair. What's a funfair like? Funfair. The funfair is a place where you can go souvenir shopping, for example. Look at the souvenir I have just got. It's a tiny magnet. Wow, cool. I think I'll get a magnet too. After the funfair, I headed to the haunted mansion. The place felt very creepy. Haunted mansion. Did you come across any ghosts there? Yes, I did. I even shook hands with one. Come across. Shake hands with. Then I came back to the funfair and explored it for food. Come back. Explore. I got some candy floss and homemade cookies with tea there. Candy floss. Homemade cookies. Wow, it sounds like you had an interesting day in the theme park. Indeed, and you know what? I think I'm going to write a humorous story about it. It will come out on my webpage next week. Come out. I will be looking forward to it. Okay, it was great to come across you here. Come across. It's time for Nick to explore the whole place himself. Have a great time, Nick. It's grammar time. Today, you're going to learn about present perfect. Look at the examples. She has bought some candy floss. Nick and Matt have been to the haunted mansion. Has bought and have been are examples of present perfect. Why use present perfect? We use present perfect to talk about our experiences and to talk about actions that took place in the past and which have a result or evidence in the present. She has bought some candy floss. This action happened in the past, but we see some candy floss in girl's hands. This is the result or evidence in the present. Nick and Matt have been to the haunted mansion. This action happened in the past, but can you see how shocked the guys are? The shock they feel is the result or evidence in the present. How to form present perfect? We form present perfect with the auxiliary verb have, has, and the past participle of the main verb. Have or has. The auxiliary depends on the subject. With he, she, it, use has. For example, she has been to the theme park. With you, we, they, use have. For example, they have gone souvenir shopping. Try. Look at the pictures and guess which auxiliary is missing. Mary made a homemade pie. They come across a squirrel in the park. The right answers are: Mary has made a homemade pie. They have come across a squirrel in the park. What's the most popular question in present perfect? Have you ever? You ask this question to find out about somebody's life experience. For example, have you ever gone on the roller coaster? Have you ever met a ghost? Have you ever eaten candy floss? Okay, today you have learned new vocabulary related to theme parks and how to form and use present perfect. Well done!